Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have for you the cordless handheld power scrubber. This has everything you need to get a deep clean. It's going to eliminate soap scum, grime, dirt, and so much more. And it does it easily. The secret is in the oscillating head. Now, oscillating means it goes back and forth, and that gives you a better, deeper clean. Think about it. When you scrub yourself, you go back and forth, not around. That's why I love this one. Plus, you get 4 different heads, so you can clean just about anything. And I love it for cleaning tile, grout, sinks, tubs, and what it's really good for is door and window tracks. Really gets them clean. But you can even use this on your car. Use it for your tires, your rims, and me, I like to use it on my golf club heads. It gets that dirt out really, really good. Now it's cordless because it uses 4 AA batteries. They're not included, but we do have a great price on our site. Now changing the brush heads is very easy. You simply twist and pull it up, and then you put the other one on and twist to put it in place. Now it's so easy to use. You just put the batteries in and push and hold the button down. This does all the work, not you. So this is especially great for arthritis sufferers. But best of all is our super low price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more, and you save a lot. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab 1 or 2 today.